You want this? Whatever. You want this? Whatever.
Stand by. Stand by.
Okay. What
Ma'am.
Whatever.
What's up, guys? Squink here, former cop, future funeral home director, here to break down another video and answer the question that everyone wants to know, which is what the hell are the cops doing? Using my law enforcement experience, I'm going to answer the questions surrounding everything that surrounds the police, surrounds the police. Answer questions. Let's get into it. Today's video comes from Bodycam Files. It is titled, Lady Wrecks Her Car into Family, Turns into a Felony. I like how family, felony kind of rhymes, doesn't it? Let's jump in. Never seen it, walking in blindly.
On March 20th, 2025, police respond to a traffic accident in Palm Beach, Florida, where a combative driver is about to Police respond to a traffic accident
That
in
lady
Palm
just points at her. Okay.
Beach, Florida.
Let's move on.
Where a combative driver is about to start chaos.
Spooky face.
They all have two witnesses. Okay, well, I was going to move us.
Okay. You want to call someone?
Ma'am, how many cigarettes have you smoked in your life?
I'll ask her. I haven't talked to her yet. I was going to move us, but then I didn't want to move.
Who's this one?
Okay. I'm going to need your license and I'll get your phone number. B1 is the red car, B2 is the young girl.
No, these
I'll be
two.
right there. I didn't get anything.
See if you got one. Is there one available?
I don't know. I didn't even talk to her yet. See what you said.
Well, you're doing the 4.
Okay. Well, yes.
Did you run the 228?
She should be near retirement, I would imagine. I hope she is. I bet you she's worked a long, hard career, and it's not been easy. So I really wish her a good retirement if she's nearing retirement. She could have 20 years for all we know, maybe even 30.
I didn't do anything yet. I just got here.
It's about 4 cars for me. I'm crazy large now.
So first order of business on a traffic accident is to get everyone's names, IDs, log the vehicle descriptions, log the plates, get insurance, things like that. Hey, how you doing?
I'm sorry?
My fault. Sorry.
It's your fault?
Yeah, my fault.
Thanks
Are
for
you
your
the driver of
honesty.
the vehicle?
Yeah.
Your name?
Rebecca.
Do you have a driver's license with you?
What if her name was Rebecca Fuck, and that's why that's why they beeped it out?
Are you the owner of the vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay, stand by. Do you need medical?
No, it's fine.
How many vehicles are involved? We've got this whole lane of traffic off.
Hey, quick. Do you need medical? Okay. Are you the owner of the vehicle?
It's always really sad when you get teenagers involved in their first accident because they are freaking out. It's the end of the world. Do I call my dad? Do I call my mom? Is the car going to explode? Is the tires going to explode as well? Yeah, they freak out is what I'm trying to say.
I was here. I was just here waiting for the light to turn, and she just hit me really hard.
So I would imagine she was on her phone. That's what my first line of thought would be. Did he just ignore her? He's just like, yeah, I don't give a shit what you're holding out to me.
Go ahead, fucking check.
Oh.
Can you search the...
Alright, come on. You all will You want this? Whatever. You want this?
Stand by. Stand by.
Okay. What happened?
Ma'am.
Whatever. You
Yeah, you're gonna immediately be detained if you start like hitting in the direction of a police officer. So.
Yeah. Well, fucking up.
I'd love to know what escalated this. Like, how do you go from admitting fault to hitting a police officer?
Stand up for me. Stand up for me.
Whatever.
Spread your legs for me. Spread your legs for me. Do you have any units or any? Do you have any weapons on you?
No, I don't.
Any drugs?
I don't, you fucking bitch. Jack, go ahead. Fucking
So he's double locking the cuffs so they don't get tighter.
Can you search the?
I'll search the car, but I gotta go get the
Just a random booking photo in the middle of the video. I have zero tolerance for spitting on people. It is disgusting. No one wants your DNA on them. Please keep your saliva in your mouth. You are disgusting.
Stop. Do not spit again.
But I brush my teeth. Keep it in your mouth.
Whatever. Whatever, go check. I can't fucking check. I can't do. Whatever.
I
don't want you to move. Just stay right where you are.
Guys, why?
Okay, are you gonna behave so I can take you to the car?
The female should be doing a quick search of her person. If she's going to jail, she's authorized to do a full search of this female's person. And then they need to get her into a vehicle. I don't know why we're holding her here.
Back live. Okay. I'm back live.
I hope I am.
Okay.
No, I'm not.
Who is? You're gonna do the 4.
I'm doing the 4. I have 2 witnesses.
I'm doing the battery. Only the battery. Only the battery
Right.
because I already placed her in handcuffs.
Okay, right.
So it's 2 batteries. The third one is, did she spit on you?
Spit at both of us. He swore he spit at both of us. But yes,
No.
she spit. Oh no, she missed me, but she spit at me.
At you.
Yeah, I
Doesn't
did.
matter.
But
Still
she
counts.
slapped you, like,
She punched, like, went to punch me. But
She punched
She
you.
had the intent of spitting on the officer, so it still counts.
She punched me. You witnessed it?
yes.
Would you like to give a statement?
You have 4 witnesses for that, for the battery. You have
For the
4
battery?
witnesses. You have him,
Okay.
2 for the accident, 4 for the battery. And I gave them each their licenses to hold, so you could take a picture of it and then.
All right. The 2 witnesses of the accident, you're going to get.
I have all that.
You have all
It's
that.
2 of the same witnesses you have. For the accident, I have that gentleman and that female. For the battery, you have the gentleman, the female, and these 2.
So I have 4 witnesses.
4
for the
witnesses.
battery.
Yeah.
Let me start.
I like the way they're communicating with one another. It eliminates confusion.
Yes, he knows her. He's her boss. Just happened to drive by.
Who's going to take?
I'm going to tow it.
Okay. You're going to take the tow. All right,
And they're authorized to tow the vehicle because she's going to jail.
Statements on the battery. So you're going to be other.
And it's in traffic.
No Jack, nothing on me. It's just nothing on me.
Like, why would she escalate it to this
That's all.
extent? Like, you already admitted to the accident. Why would you start acting a fool and spitting on people?
Yep. My arm hurts.
Makes no sense to me why people do
My arm
that.
hurts.
Like, get control of your
Can you
emotions.
take this off? It hurts.
She was parked behind my employee's car, and then I saw her start to back up. She wasn't looking at what she was doing. It looked like she was going to drive away, that she was backing up to get distance between her and my employee's car because she wouldn't have been able to turn out. I whistled. There was a pickup truck. I saw him yell at her and then reach into the car, argue with her about why she was trying to pull away, and reach into the car and take her keys out.
Oh, so she totally was
Rebecca
going to leave.
charged with battery on an officer ×3. At the first appearance, the court found probable cause, appointed a public defender for that hearing, and set bond at $1,000 for each count. A verbal no-contact order was issued, and the case was scheduled for a 30-day return on April 21st, and an initial case conference on May 15th before Judge Scott Suskauer. The defendant posted surety bonds on March 25th and was released from custody. As of May 27th, court notices and a new hearing date have been filed, with the case still pending further proceedings.
Interesting. Okay, this is pretty clear cut. Okay, oh God. So I just don't understand why people let their emotions get the best of them. They react to very simple things and end up walking themselves into jail most times. And that's to be said for anything in life, really. Like, just get control of your emotions. Don't react immediately. Process the situation before you respond. And most times things are going to be okay. I would love to know what escalated the situation to the extent it did, because the body cam cut, and then all of a sudden she's like in an argument with the female officer. I don't understand. I think the cops did a great job communicating with one another. There's a lot of confusion on scenes like that. And especially like when you're there for an accident and then all of a sudden you now have a separate criminal charge of assault. It's two different cases sometimes. They're not going to go into the same report, because oftentimes the accident report is completely separate from the criminal report. So that's what they were discussing amongst themselves. No one fought the girl. No one escalated unreasonably and started like hitting the girl. No one overreacted to getting spit on, which, I mean, is easy to do because spitting is disgusting, as I've stated. I give the cops an A+, perfect score. There's really no reason for me to give them anything lower than that. Before I go, I do want to say, if you guys want to send me videos, you absolutely can, and I will absolutely watch them. You can send them to squinkgalonk@gmail.com. I've had a few people send me videos over the course of the last 6 months, but I would love if you sent me more, because otherwise I'm just going to randomly click on the side of the related videos or suggested videos and just kind of go with it. So if you want to send me videos and see my reactions, see what I have to say, squinkgalonk@gmail.com. I do these videos every single day. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Goodbye.